He's looking at me.
Levi. Big little monkey.
Don't look at me.
Big little monkey. Do it. Do it.
Hey, drooler. You got some drool going from all your giggles, buddy.
Want to play before you go?
Well, Grant's been here all day. I'm sure probably can't sit there.
Do you have to go to your party now? Or do you have things to do first?
Oh.
Do you have to go to your party now?
Oh, not until tonight. At 7 o'clock is my party. Yeah, silly.
You do. Pick little monkey, pick little monkey, pick little
Gentle.
Careful.
Okay, let go. Let him fall off. No, don't do it to Gran. Don't do it to
He
Gran.
was hungry.
Hey, bud. What's up? Okay, don't look at me.
Can you stay all day long?
No. I have to go home and take my shower.
So confirmed. All right.